Hey guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing today? Today I will be showing you my top 3 smoothies inspired by Sophiology. Yes, I have added a couple of ingredients just to spice it up a little, but follow my Pinterest. I have little pins there, and also follow Sophiology Official on Instagram. You guys, you will have photo inspiration. Okay, first we will be doing the strawberry and cream smoothie. I will be adding strawberries, a banana, 1 cup of almond milk, a little bit of chia seeds, and let's blend it up. Comment below if you are loving smoothies this summer because it's been so dang on hot. Comment below. So quick tip, if you need to add more almond milk just to make it more of a smoothie loose consistency, just do that. Let me know if I should do a top 3 smoothie part 2. Yummy. Okay, next smoothie we have is the mango berry. So 1 cup of strawberry, 1 cup of mangoes. Sometimes you have to push the fruit down in order to have all of them in there. 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of almond milk, and add a little bit of chia seeds in there. Alright, it's time to blend it up. Notice this smoothie was a thicker consistency, but it's okay. Tastes better like that anyway. But not least, berry interesting. We have 1 cup of blueberries, well, mixed berries, a handful of spinach, 1 cup of strawberries. And again, if you have to push it down in order to get more room, do that, just so you can have room for almond milk. So this is 1 cup of almond milk. I added chia seeds and a little bit of monk fruit sweetener just to make it a little sweet. Time to blend. I made this one a lot thicker. I should have put more almond milk because the struggle was real. Only I would do that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This one is so good and so satisfying. So sometimes I like to save my smoothies. So what I'll do is I'll put it in my glass container. I'll link this down below. I got this from Amazon and it works pretty well. I've had it for about 2 or 3 years. That's why I add more almond milk, just so it can go down faster and more looser. And voila, this is what I have. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Everything will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you next time. Bye.